Hello everyone. Today we are together in this English lesson. Today our topic is animal camouflage. Let's start our lesson. Here is a text related with the animal camouflage and the animals chameleon, stonefish, polar bear and great tree frog. Let's read the text now. Many animals blend in their surroundings. This is called camouflage. Animals use color, body shape, or both to blend in. Camouflage helps animals to hide and find food. Now we are going to listen the whole text and read the text.
And read. What can chameleons do? Animal camouflage. Many animals blend in with their surroundings. This is called camouflage. Animals use color, body shape, or both to blend in. Camouflage helps animals to hide and find food. Chameleons change color. Chameleons are found in rainforests and in deserts. A chameleon can change its color. On a brown rock in the desert, it can be brown. In a green tree in the rainforest, it can be green. Very cool. Polar bears hide in the snow. Polar bears are found in the ice and snow. Everything around them is white. They are covered in white fur, but their eyes, noses, and the bottoms of their feet are black. It's not easy to see a polar bear in the snow. Animals hide for different purposes. This fish is called the stonefish. It looks like stones on the bottom of the sea. It uses camouflage to get food. The fish it eats can't see it. If they touch the stonefish by mistake, it stings them to death and eats them. This frog is called the gray tree frog. It is found in the forests of North America. It uses camouflage to hide. It looks like a tree branch. The birds and snakes that eat gray tree frogs can't see them against the bark of the tree. Look at the pictures. Is it easy to see these animals?
And by the help of the text that we listened now, we are going to write true or false to these sentences. 1. A chameleon can look like trees or rocks. It's true. 2. A polar bear is found in the desert. False. A stonefish isn't found on the bottom of the sea. False. A gray tree frog looks like tree bark. True. And now, look at the cards given below. There are some clues about the animals: chameleon, gray tree frog, polar bear, and stonefish. Let's look at them one by one. A chameleon is found in rainforests and deserts. It uses camouflage to look like rocks and trees. Polar bears are found in ice and snow, and they use camouflage to look like snow, as you see in here. Gray tree frog is found in forests and they use camouflage to look like tree bark. And stonefish is found on the bottom of the sea. They look like stones. Think big. Can you think of any other animals that live in rainforests and deserts? What do they look like? What other animals live in the ice and snow? What do they look like? Some animals, like snakes, monkeys, live in rainforests. Some animals, like lizards and camels, live in deserts. The animal that can change its color is called a chameleon. It can be brown on a brown rock, but it can be green in a green tree. Some animals, like penguins and sea lions, live in ice and snow. Polar bears in the ice and snow looks like snow because they have white fur. Sidewinder snake. Sidewinder snake is a kind of snake which is found in the desert in North America. It uses camouflage to hide in the sand, and it looks like sand. I think it is so dangerous for us. And this boy says that this is called a sidewinder snake. It is found in deserts. It uses camouflage to hide in the sand. It's brown and it looks like sand. And now, in here, we are going to make questions by using can and then answer them. Number 1. What can kangaroos do? They can jump. 2. The given words are what monkeys can do. What can monkeys do? They can climb trees. Next question. The given words are what, deer, do. And the answer is, what can a deer do? It can walk. Number 4. What crocodiles do? And here is the answer. What can crocodiles do? They can swim. 5. And the question is related with you now. What do you do? And the question is, what can you do? You can write your own abilities in here, so the answer can be different. But the question must be same. I can ride a bike. I can run fast. I can read a book in a day. These are the answers. And in here, there is a chart given on the left side animals and the top side are the verbs and the abilities that they can do or they can't do. And we are going to put a tick. Which animal can do the abilities? Let's look at them. Bears can climb trees and run. Camels can run. Sharks can swim. Lizards can climb trees. Number 1. Bears can climb trees and run, but they can't swim or fly. 2. Camels can run, but they can't swim, fly, or climb trees. 3. Sharks can swim, but they can't fly, climb trees, or run. 4. Lizards can climb trees and run, but they can't swim or fly. These are the sentences that we can write related with the chart given above. Thank you for listening to me and for joining today's class. I hope to see you in the next lesson. Have a nice day.